What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel where we transform leftovers into culinary masterpieces that'll have you drooling. Today, we're tackling a classic leftover hamburger patties. That's right, those juicy burgers have a second life beyond the bun. If you're as excited about this food adventure as I am, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's get cooking. First up, we're spicing things up with hamburger patty tacos. Grab your leftover patties and let's get started. Grab 3 leftover hamburger patties, your favorite taco seasoning, a can of diced tomatoes, and a bell pepper. Diced. Now, heat up a large skillet over medium heat and crumble in those patties. Sprinkle on that taco seasoning, those diced tomatoes, and the bell pepper. Let it all simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until heated through, and bam! You've got yourself a flavorful fiesta in a pan. Next, we're taking our taste buds on a trip to Italy with hamburger patty pizza. Grab your leftover patties and your favorite pizza dough. Spread that dough out on a baking sheet and get ready for the magic. Crumble those leftover patties evenly over the dough and then top them with your favorite pizza sauce. Now here's where the fun comes in. Add your favorite pizza toppings. We're going all out with pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, and a generous sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. Pop that masterpiece into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius, for about 15 to 20 minutes. Or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and delicious. Now let's turn up the heat with a hamburger patty stir fry. This recipe is all about speed and flavor. Heat up your wok or large skillet over high heat and add a drizzle of oil. Once it's nice and hot, toss in those crumbled patties and cook until they're slightly crispy. Now let's add some veggies. I'm using broccoli florets, sliced carrots, snap peas, and some chopped garlic for that extra zing. Stir fry everything together for a few minutes until the veggies are tender crisp. To finish it off, drizzle over your favorite stir fry sauce and sprinkle on some sesame seeds for that extra touch of flavor and crunch. And there you have it. A delicious and satisfying stir fry that's ready in minutes. For a fun and tasty snack, let's whip up some hamburger patty sliders. Grab those slider buns and get ready to build some flavor bombs. Crumble up your leftover hamburger patties and mix them with your favorite barbecue sauce. Spoon that saucy goodness onto the bottom halves of the slider buns. Now here's where you can get creative. I'm adding a dollop of coleslaw for a tangy crunch, but feel free to add your favorite toppings. Pickles, onions, cheese, the possibilities are endless. Place the top halves of the buns on top and voila, you've got yourself a plate of irresistible sliders that are perfect for sharing or not. Lastly, let's give those leftover patties a morning makeover with hamburger patty breakfast hash. Dice up some potatoes and onions and toss them into a skillet with a little oil. Cook them over medium heat until they're nice and tender. Now crumble in those leftover hamburger patties and cook until heated through. Crack a few eggs over the top and season everything with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. I'm going for a dash of paprika and a sprinkle of parsley for that extra flavor boost. Reduce the heat to low and cover the skillet to let those eggs cook to perfection. Once the eggs are set, you're ready to dig in. This hearty and flavorful breakfast hash is the perfect way to start your day off right. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible ways to transform those leftover hamburger patties into mouth-watering meals. I hope these recipes have inspired you to get creative in the kitchen and see leftovers in a whole new light. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome food adventures. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, stay hungry, my friends. Peace out.